So your new Mellow Mat's arrived. Let's unbox it. Comes vacuum packaged, so there will be creases when you first open it. It's got a beautiful soft fabric on the top and a non-slip bottom, so it won't slide around on slippery floors. Now it's time to get the creases out. All you need is to pump it full of steam. If you're going to use an iron to do this, make sure you have a damp tea towel in between. So I've done about half of the mat now. It's taken about 5 minutes with the steamer. And as you can see, this side is perfect and crease free. And if you see over there, there's still creases. Taken about 10 minutes to puff up, and the mat is perfect, ready to jump on. You can see how thick this Mellow Mat is and super squishy. If you want an even softer Mellow Mat experience, we also sell the underlay, which has non-slip on both sides so it won't slide around and adds 20 millimeters to your Mellow Mat experience.